My name is Justine Brown and I am the race director of Band on the Run, which happens in this beautiful Muskoka area that is not covered in snow on June 13th. And we're really excited about a new program that we've got this year with our friend Jess Adam. Jess is, I'm going to get you to jump in and tell us a little bit about yourself, Jess.
Okay, I'm an endurance sports coach. I work for a company called Life Sport Coaching. I've been coaching for about 12 years. Athletes have all abilities from beginners to advanced.
Yeah, and so Jess is has already put together these amazing training plans for 5K and 10K runners. So tell us a little bit about who these plans are for.
So both of these plans are going to start for beginners. I've organized it so that you start out mostly walking, and then eventually as we go through these plans, you're going to incorporate more running, less walking, until we get you to a point where you can hopefully run, or mostly run, both the 5K and the 10K.
Would this work even if you've never run in a race before?
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. That's what I designed them for, is for absolute beginners.
That's wonderful. Okay, so what can people expect on a weekly basis from the plans?
So both plans have you starting out at 3 days a week of exercising. Now, it's not necessarily running at first, but most of them, the plans are meant to just be walking, get you into it, get your muscles working, and eventually, as the weeks go on, it will build up very slowly and right up until race day.
Right.
And the 10K plan starts next week,
right.
March 1st. So there's 15 weeks of time for you to get to a 10K.
Okay, and so one of the things that I love about the plans that Jess has put together, it's not just about run this distance for this amount of time. It also takes into account all the things that we have going on in our heads when we're getting out of our comfort zones and running something like this.
That's right. I've tried to add in some tips and some motivational things from all my coaching experience to give to you guys so that you can go week to week and build and get excited and keep motivated.
Yeah, and the whole thing is actually interactive. So it's not like, here you go, start, and we'll see you on June 13th. You're going to have Jess and I each week making sure, kicking your butt a little bit, but also encouraging you and making sure that you're in fantastic, wonderful shape on June 13th.
Absolutely.